Welcome back everyone to another video here on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. In this one, I'm going to talk about how to get a renewed iPad. Whether you're looking to save some money or just want a reliable device, getting a renewed or refurbished iPad is a great option. Let's get into the details and find out the best ways to get a renewed iPad. First, let's talk about what a renewed or refurbished iPad is. These terms are interchangeable and essentially mean the same thing. A refurbished iPad is a pre-owned device that has been returned to the manufacturer or a refurbisher, inspected, and restored to good working condition. This often involves replacing any faulty parts, such as the battery or display, to ensure the device functions like new. One of the best places to buy a refurbished iPad is directly from Apple. You can easily find these devices by visiting Apple's official website and navigating to the refurbished section. If you're having trouble finding it, just do a quick Google search for Apple refurbished, and you should be able to locate the page. Apple's certified refurbished products come with a 1-year warranty, and the Apple Certified Refurbished Promise, which means you're getting an iPad that meets Apple's high standards of quality and reliability. When you buy a refurbished iPad from Apple, you're getting a device that has been thoroughly tested and certified. This includes a comprehensive cleaning process, full functional testing, and genuine Apple part replacements if necessary. The device is then repackaged with all the necessary accessories and cables, making it feel almost like a new purchase. The main difference is that it's been used before, but you can be confident in its performance. If you prefer, you can also opt for a third-party refurbisher. Many reputable companies specialize in refurbishing Apple products and offer competitive prices. However, it's crucial to do your research and choose a trusted refurbisher. Look for reviews and ratings to ensure you're buying from a reliable source. Third-party refurbished devices can also come with warranties, but the terms may vary, so make sure to read the fine print. Choosing a refurbished iPad is a fantastic way to save some cash without compromising on quality. While the device may not be brand new, the refurbishment process ensures it works just as well. Plus, it's a more environmentally friendly option, as it reduces electronic waste by giving a second life to a perfectly functional device. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Peace.